Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore VM boot after GRUB misconfiguration on Ubuntu. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, boot your machine using a live Ubuntu USB or CD. Select the Try Ubuntu option from the boot menu. Open the terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T. Identify your Ubuntu partition by running the command sudo fdisk-l. Look for the partition that has the Linux file system, typically denoted by extension 4. Mount the identified partition using the command sudo mount/dev/sdxn/mnt, replacing sdxn with your specific partition if you have a separate EFI partition, located as well. Mount the EFI partition with the command sudo mount/dev/sdxn/mnt/boot/fe, replacing sdxn with the Next, run the command sudo mount bind/dev/mnt/dev. Then, execute sudo mount bind/proc/mnt/proc. Now run sudo mount bind/sys/mnt/sys. CRUD into the mounted file system by entering sudo crud/mnt. To reinstall GRUB, run the command grub install/dev/sdx, replacing sdx with your disk identifier. Next, update the GRUB configuration by running update GRUB. To exit the CRUD environment, type exit and press enter. Unzip the mounted partitions in reverse order, starting with sudo amount/mnt/dev. Then, run sudo amount/mnt/proc. Follow with sudo amount/mnt/sys. Finally, unmount the Ubuntu partition sudo amount/mnt. Reboot your machine by typing sudo reboot. Remove the live USB or CD when prompted. Your VM should now boot normally into Ubuntu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.